Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to verify your email address on CoinGecko. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in CoinGecko. Or if you don't have the Google Play, you can just go and type it on the, of course, the Apple Store, which I downloaded the app from. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So on the left side of the screen, we have the markets. Down here, we have the portfolio, the search bar, we have the explore, and in the bottom right corner, we have the more, where you can check out more options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and verify your email address on CoinGecko. So it is super easy, and you just need to go and follow these 2 steps to know how to do it in no time. So you need to go and click on the bottom right corner and click on more options. After that, when you do that, you have a lot of options here, as you can see. You have your account, app settings, tools, enjoy using CoinGecko, others, and the sign out option. What you need to go and click on is the My Account. And here you have your email, password, subscription, manage subscription, and delete account. What you need to go and click on is email. And when you click on email, if you have the option to, of course, go and change your email, to verify your email. If your email is not verified, mine is, you'll have verify button there, which you can click on and verify your email. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.